First of all, I just want to take a moment and thank Jumbo and Delicious. One of the best burgers we've had in Tennessee. They are amazing, loving people. Thank you so much for sponsoring our first annual Burger Wars tour. We are going to the next spot. First thing you notice?
Meat?
Yeah.
It's just the meat back there, obviously.
The meat back there, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So you can order your, looks like you can order like a deli, right?
The vegetables, man.
There's vegetable or produce.
Oh, yeah, produce.
All right, we'll show you that. And look at, you can buy sauces here, jams and jellies and stuff. I know I have to go to the restroom, but man, I gotta check out this place first. What's that, bacon in it?
Hot sauce.
Is that bacon jam right there? That is bacon jam. Oh, we're shopping here. Right there, bacon jam.
Oh, yeah.
Dude. Well, that's a little concerning. I guess they make it themselves probably.
What's that?
Just jams and jelly, or jams and preservatives. Not bad. So, you got a little cooler with ice cream. You got a cooler with beer. You got drink specials. What is that? Is that the bar over there? Oh, look at this. You got local breweries. Look at all this. Oh, look at how big those tails are. Are those lobster tails down there? Right. At the end right there? Right there.
These?
Yeah, those lobster tails. Oh, they are. Okay. They're beautiful looking. This is great. I bet, look at that neon pig on everything, on coffee cups and candles and glasses. They got a dog over there with sunglasses. You see him? Handmade, small batch. What is charcuterie? Oh, it's cheese, that's right. Humanely raised, there you go. Humanely raised, antibiotic, hormone-free, pasture-fed from local sustainable farms. I love that. This is so cool. Lots of meat in there. Order that. All right, cool. Okay, they've got a big giant cooler, and all the local breweries look like they're represented here, and some other like Lounging, Iguanas, Hazy, just crazy looking brands I've never seen before. Sandbar Blonde. And then for the non-alcoholic drinkers, we have a soda bar. We have sweet and unsweet tea. There's a sign here, if you break a six-pack, I will kill you. What they mean by breaking a six-pack is go to a six-pack and pull one. That's breaking a six-pack. Not, or maybe it is dropping it. I don't know. But it says right here, check out our singles cooler. This cooler here is for singles. Looks like they got some coffee over there. I'm gonna have to get, as a local brand. I may have to check that one out. And then it looks like they've got some other stuff here. I don't know what that is. And look at the guy, gourmet popcorn. Seems like these are all local products. This is really cool. And they got products up there, shirts and books and stuff. That's awesome. And I think that's local honey over there. Wow. This is a cool place. Check out, there's so much to see.
Why not?
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm allowed to film her. Thank you so much. Thanks for your permission. All right, go ahead.
Much deliberation. You're welcome. We are a full-on butcher shop. We break down our own cows, our own pigs. We grind our own beef. We hand cut our own steaks. What we got famous for was the smash burger. That's what we were on the Travel Channel and the Food Network for.
Right.
The smash burger is a house grind of steak trimmings and Benton's bacon. So it's got a little bit of sirloin, ribeye, New York strip, filet mignon, all ground up together with that Benton's bacon. So it's got a very, very smoky, bacony flavor. If that sounds good, you ought to try it.
I'm having one of those.
Or consider the Belvis, which is the most popular amongst our regulars. The Belvis is that same patty with our house-made pimento cheese and pork belly on it. Super delicious. These other three burgers, the Bash, the Slaw, and the Blue Canoe, are all made out of what we call the Bash grind. That is just ground brisket. So that's closer to what you would think of as a normal burger, which we will make you a normal burger if any of this freaks you out. We're not too proud. Another really good thing are these buns and lettuce wraps. You get to pick whether you want it in a bun or a lettuce wrap. The buns are a house-made style of flatbread. My favorite is to get the pork belly dressed like the chicken because I want the stuff that comes on the chicken, but I want the pork belly.
What is he, a milkshake?
Do you do milkshakes?
Oh.
Maybe.
I don't think she heard you. Do you do milkshakes here?
No.
You don't?
Okay.
Okay. All right. So we won't be...
We do French fries though. It's so new that it's not on the menu yet.
They do french fries?
We call them
Two-
big fries.
yeah, two
Don't let that
options.
confuse you. They're not half fries.
So
They're
that's not on
actual
the
French
menu, but it
fries.
is available right now, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. And so option 1 is just regular fries with our seasoning salt. Option 2 has Parmesan and bacon bits added to it.
Oh, punch me in the face. That sounds awesome. That sounds delicious, guys.
I know.
Pig fries. We're getting the one with everything on it.
Of course.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so they don't
They got a big
have...
sign back there. I read it.
Doing a lot of reading on the signs here on this trip.
I know there's a lot to see, huh?
Uh-huh.
I look at that bat behind
I'd
her.
say, yeah, make it a t-shirt.
Do you know what that is, Gina? Behind you?
Where everybody's been. Or
Oh, that's where they're
everybody's
from. Right, right.
From
Oh,
been.
wow. Is that in your hand?
Strawberry amaretto cake.
Strawberry amaretto cake. That looks really good.
Yeah.
Looks moist, doesn't it? Yeah. Loving that. What are these called?
Those are our buns. The buns are a type of flatbread. We make it here.
Right.
Those are pork belly buns, but they're dressed like the chicken buns. So they've got the stuff that comes on the chicken.
Oh, that's what you mean by dress. I got it. I got
That's
you.
what I mean by dress.
And what are those? Those are
This
big
is
fries?
fries.
Okay.
This is the Belvis.
That's Belvis. Oh my
That's
God.
our smash
Look at
burger with
that.
house
I need to get a
pimento
picture of all this
cheese.
for
So
social
good,
media.
man. Yeah.
And then this is
Wow.
the smash burger.
Smash burger.
Oh, dude. I'm in heaven.
Look at that smash burger.
They
All right,
put
I got
pimento
it.
cheese on the wrong burger. No, that's come back.
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is your ticket.
It's
Pay
like
the-
somebody. Look at him. Go for it. Go for it. And that's
Look at that.
That is that's a smash burger, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
that's a smash
Now we're talking. That's night and day from the last place we went to. Okay. And then you wanted to get the Belvis. This is the Belvis.
I gotta
More
cut that
than that.
still.
All right, you're gonna cut that, okay?
Got it?
I think so.
You got that? All right, cool. Look at they look good. They look
No
hand
way.
cut. The dishes. Look at this thing looks
That thing
amazing.
looks killer. Absolutely.
Is it
Yes.
is it smoky? Uh-oh. All right, go ahead, dude. Grab one of those.
Look at that, dude.
Interesting.
You're steaming.
Good? No.
Oh. That's good.
That's a great bite. Look at that bite.
Okay, so I'm recording now.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, so which one are you doing first?
This is the smash burger. Here we go. It's got look at pickled onions, doesn't it?
Yes.
That smells amazing.
What do you think? Are you videotaping me eating?
Very good.
Wow. I can't even contain myself till I get outside to review it. It's that good. Alright. Look at I'm getting all over myself. Go with one of these, right?
That's the Belvis.
The Belvis. Ready? Here we go. That's the Belvis. Hunk of burning love right there. Are you eating yours?
Yes. I'm gonna try it. Okay, try a fry really quick.
Here we go.
And you gotta dip it in the sauce that it comes with.
Right there. This is all so good. Go ahead, honey. your Belvis. Remember, if you don't want the Belvis, I understand.
Don't
You
eat
don't
that,
have to.
Tammy. Don't eat that, and you won't leave the restaurant. Ever.
Stop it. We're filming.
Oh, sorry.
Why are you going for that one?
It looks smaller.
All right, so that one's Gina's, right? Go ahead.
Try out.
Butcher style. You're right.
Look at the damage on this table. Look like a murder scene. It really does. Oh my gosh. I gotta find out where they get that bread. That's amazing. So I've got to know, first of all, how are you treating the pork butt to make it so tender?
You mean the pork belly?
That pork belly, yeah.
So
Not pork butt, sorry.
Yeah, that's okay.
Pork belly.
It's a process. What we do is we take it and we do a basic cure on it with salt, sugar, and pink salt, and we cure it for a whole week. And then we take it and we clean it off real good, get all that cure off of it, and then we braise it real low temp for 12 hours.
Okay, that is the best pork belly I've ever
Then
tasted.
we press it for 12 hours to get it good and tight to hold in.
I mean,
Isn't it awesome?
that is the best I've ever tasted.
Yes.
Is
I'm actually
it
about to
your
cure some
idea?
right now.
Oh my gosh.
Is it your idea?
No, I wish I could take credit for that.
Right.
But Mitch McCamey is the chef and owner who wrote the menu.
Okay, I applaud him.
Yep.
I can't tell you enough.
Yes.
One of the things, I do a cooking show on YouTube.
Yes.
One of the things that I've gotten into is put coffee in the rub. It's
nice.
just so good because it gets
Yes.
chocolatey.
Yep.
It melts. It gets, I don't know if you've ever played
We've
with
done
coffee.
that. We'll take New York strips and ribeyes and we'll cure them in different things. And
Beer is also
we do
good.
a coffee stout. We've done it in.
Yep.
It's really good.
Oh,
And
yeah.
with the coffee rub. And then we have my brother's cup coffee that is made in Shannon down the road. And it comes from all
I
over.
grabbed one of those bags. I have
They
one.
is the best coffee
Right.
ever.
Wow.
Can we get it online if I like it that much?
I think so.
Really? It's
I
called
think
My Brother's
My
Cup.
Brother's Cup. Mhm.
All right.
There is the best coffee, and Roxanne is my favorite. That is the most popular.
That's what she said to me.
It's so good. It's so
Okay.
good.
This food's so good, I want to punch myself in the face.
Yes!
I'm serious.
I love it. I love
usually wait till I get outside to do my reviews
Okay.
to get my final thoughts on what I thought
Yeah.
of the place. But
got beef,
I
we
can
got-
boldly tell you that you're so far the leader of our burger wars.
Yay! I
and
love it. Where are you all from?
We're from Nashville. We're
Oh,
touring
love Nashville.
8 restaurants across the South.
Wow, how cool.
We're going to Shaggy's
How
next.
did you guys hear about us?
You were on Google as one of the highest rated.
Yeah. Okay.
And we made a map to go through
That is
Atlanta,
so
Alabama,
awesome.
Mississippi.
How fun.
This is
That's
exciting.
a cool idea.
This is exciting.
Yes. So what all did we have? You had the pork belly.
Oh, we made a mess.
Burger.
We had the Belvis.
The Belvis.
The Belvis is to die for.
This
Yeah.
is the best thing ever.
But I'm giving my whole review away. Stop it, Jack. Stop it. So anyway, I just can't thank you enough for your art.
Absolutely. I really enjoy it. I really
All right.
enjoy it.
We appreciate what you do.
Have y'all taken a look at the butcher case and stuff?
Yeah, I might grab some stuff on the way
Yeah, I
out.
just loaded a whole bunch up in there today from a cow.
So I'll visit you on the way out then. I'll
Please
get
do.
some
I'll be
stuff.
there.
Thank you so
guys
much.
so much.
Take care.
Absolutely.
So this is our second stop, and we ordered French fries, the Belvis, the smash burger, and I don't remember what it was called. It was like taco or something with pork belly, with taco filling and all that. All right, go ahead.
Okay, so I like the Belvis a lot. It was really good. The smash burger was really smoky, so it was too smoky for me personally, but it would have been fine. And then the French fries were good. I just thought they would have had like more bacon on top, but yeah, it was good. I really liked it.
So would you come here again if you're in the
Yeah.
area?
Yeah.
Definitely?
Definitely.
People should come here, right?
Definitely.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much.
So this was our second stop, and I can tell you right now that this place was way better than the first one. Very excited about the smash burger. That was the first one we had in here. We did that one in the Belvis, but the smash burger had a little smoky flavor to it. It was actually almost too smoky in a way because it kind of overpowered everything else on the burger. but it was really good. That Belvis that we had was that same burger on the smash burger, but they added some extra things that really killed out the smoke flavor. Man, they nailed it, dude. They absolutely nailed that burger. Their bun, that ciabatta style bun that they get, it was light, it was airy, probably the best one I've ever had. And then they did the fries were, to me, they were okay. I think for the value that they're looking at, they probably need to either like Gina said, probably give some more of the bacon toppings, or at least give you some more. Maybe a different presentation other than that little tray that they came in. I don't know what you call those. Some of you get fish and chips in. Not a fan of that. And then I know we're not rating the pork belly, but oh my God, it was so good. Just amazing. This place right here, if you're in the area, I would come here at least once a week, whether it was for lunch or dinner or something like that, but this is definitely a go-to place for sure.
I'm with you on that.
Awesome, man.
All right, man.
Just go when they're told. Oh, you recording?
Oh, yeah.
Stop being nasty. Stop and start it again.
I'm being nice.
Stop and start it again.
All right, hold on, ready? Here. That other part's
Stop and
going on
start
there,
it again.
too. Everybody, what?
Did you stop and start it again?
I did. I stopped and started again. Did I stop and start it again?
Sure.
I pushed
Liar,
the button.
liar.
Just go.
Okay, anyways, so everything was really good. The Belvis was my favorite. The reason why is because the other one, the smash burger, the smokiness overpowered everything. And I like smokiness, but I want to try everything. I want to taste everything else. The Belvis it was the same grind, same everything, but you could taste everything. It was amazingly good. French fries, they're new, kind of just developed. So they're not even on the menu yet, so hopefully they take Jack's recommendation. But yeah, no, absolutely really good. If we live close, we would come here.
Okay, I love these tours. This place was a shocker. Let's start with the best item on the whole table was the Belvis. It blew out the smash burger, even though the Belvis is like a cut above the smash burger with more stuff added on. Their pork belly here melts in your mouth. I had to ask the butcher, how did he prepare the meat? I was so intrigued because the pork belly melted. I've never had pork belly just melt. It was awesome. French fries, this is my recommendation to you guys. For improvements, take your onions, dice them smaller, and take your bacon and dice that smaller. Get it all like a powdery form, and put drizzle a little bit of olive oil or whatever oil you desire on the fries so that the toppings will stick on the fries. We kind of felt like there wasn't enough topping, and if there was some, it rolled off to the side. So we think that if you could give something to adhere to the French fry. The bread. I've never gotten so excited over bread ever in all the Burger Wars years I've been doing it. It's 100% awesome, A+. You got to come in here and try their bread. It's heavenly, it's airy. It's ciabatta, but it's full of air. It's just what you want to hold your burger. That's it. I would definitely, if you don't live around here, drive here. Like I tell you to drive to Jumbo Delicious, drive here. That Belvis, don't forget, order the Belvis. It is so good. See you on the next episode.